So does anyone know if they're zinc deficient? No, does anyone know if they're zinc deficient? You don't point like that on people. You've got zinc deficiency? All right. Most people are zinc deficient.
How do you know? How do you know if you are?
Eating chips.
White marks in your nails to do.
Yeah, I think so. Has anyone got white marks on their nails? Yeah, come up. Yeah. So this is one of those like liquid zinc supplements. Metagenics.
Oh, do I have to taste it?
Just have to sip it. So what we want to see is if you just put that in your mouth.
Keep it a mouth swallow.
Just taste it. If you don't want to, I can.
Oh, it's awful.
So she's not zinc deficient. So if it tastes terrible, you're not zinc deficient.
It's good.
Let's see.
Well,
Oh, geez, that's like a huge spoonful.
Mix and mess and go down.
Tastes okay. It's not too bad.
what does it taste like? Does it taste sweet? Does it taste like nothing?
It is quite bitter.
It's bitter, but now mine's going sweet after. Is it supposed to go sweet?
No, but if it's bitter initially,
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like, and it's dried out.
And it's sort of a bit
completely.
metally.
I've just tried.
Those white nails? Oh, like those little ones?
I don't know.
Huh. Thank you. That tastes pretty bad.
Does it taste bitter?
No, not bitter. Just a bit gross.
So did you get it balanced?
Oh, I come from the last.
Did she balance it?
Did you balance it?
Yeah. Yeah. Well, tell me when you set up practice and I'll come and see you. Do you know?
Yeah, that's all right.
What does it taste like?
No, it's a bit caramelly.
So a bit sweet?
We have a winner. Yeah, it's not sweet. It's just caramel. Yeah.
All right. Well, that's caramel's burnt sugar, so it's sweet. So you're the candidate. That's good because we're running out of spoons. So what we're going to do, we're just going to like see if there's a change. Do you put your head up this side? How can I see zinc? There's zinc. So CV7, large intestine 17 zinc. So just. Oh, it's supposed to taste unpleasant and kind of furry on your tongue, strong, pungent. So it sounds like you might have a bit of a deficiency as well. So zinc's very important for your immune system. Yeah, but zinc's important for your immune system, so you should get onto it. Do you take it as a supplement?
Yes, I use
Zinc picolate's the best one.
Which one's the best one, sorry?
Zinc picolate. Yeah, it's good to alternate. So you do one bottle of zinc picolate, one bottle of zinc citrate, and then alternate rather than doing the same one all the time. But picolate or citrate. I'll let, I get them at the chemist. I buy them at the chemist. So nutrition mode, mineral for the atlas, and then I'll just touch the zinc point, which is large intestine 15. I'll test it on the right. That's indicating. I'll test it on the left. So it's indicating on the right. So what does that mean? Pardon? No, it doesn't. You've got to get clear on that because you'll kill somebody if you do the wrong one. So that's means that the body wants to get rid of it. So the right side's about exiting, and you should read the chapter. So the right side's about exiting, and the left side's about entering. So there's the right side. So we already confirmed he's deficient by his taste response to the liquid zinc supplement. So then what I'm going to do now is check switching. So there's front-back switching showing in relation to showing on the right side. So I'll just put that in circuit and see what it wants. That's in third stage stress, base chakra. So I'm clearing the front-back switching stress. And then hold. Any more correction? Okay. So then I'll go back and do that again. So I'll go nutrition mode. I'll touch the lateral, the transverse process of the atlas. Can't touch the back because it doesn't have a back point. You have to touch the side. So I'll touch the transverse process, put that in circuit, and then I'm going to check large intestine 17 on the right. It's not showing. I'll check large intestine 17 on the left. It's showing. So now his body's saying it wants it. So that's good. But so I could just do that, but I'm just going to drop into Mercury because if he's got that confusion, it could be Mercury. So I'm going to go nutrition mode and then touch the atlas. And then I'm going to go left side, right side. So his body's saying it wants Mercury. So that confusion between the left and right is from the Mercury. So you can clear that after the Mercury as well. So you can clear usually if you clear the Mercury, the confusion will go. But I cleared it with switching. But you really got to drop down into Mercury if it wants to get rid of a basic nutrient that we're usually deficient in. So his body's saying it wants Mercury. So he's obviously confused. So then I'll check switching about wanting Mercury. So front back again. And remember yesterday when front back came up a couple of times, we did that correction. So I'm going to do physiology. I'm going to hold the front and back of the head. Then I'll do neuron mode GV20. And I'll go physiology and check the physiology points. 14, 13, 12, 14, 15, 16. Motivation, pleasure, reward, play. Need to play more. And then suppression. Yeah, Nutritional Gateways. Don't you recognise it? So I'm just giving an example of Nutritional Gateways, just to reinforce it. So I'm putting nutrition on, again. I'll put mineral on, and then I'll check Mercury on the right, it's showing. Mercury on the left's not showing. So the body wants to get rid of Mercury. Can you take the circuit? Yeah.
You removed some last week.
Who did?
Yeah.
the same thing last week? Someone did this process? Cool.
No, you did it last week.
Oh, the fortnight when we had the MPA. Yeah.
You removed
So-
some
so-
mercury then.
Yeah, cool. Well, it's good that you got the zeolite. So it's coming up again.
Okay.
So means that because it will flip back, that you'll go back and until you've got a lot of it out, it'll keep flipping back. It's only temporary until the mercury is out of your system. So we're just getting your body clear enough to start moving it out energetically, mobilizing it, and then the zeolite starts to pull it out. But you could do it a few times to keep it coming out. So it's good we're doing it again. So there. So I'm getting the North Pole magnet, and I'm going to put it on the right side, on the Mercury point. If I put it on the left side, I'll be putting Mercury into the body. If I put it on the right side, I get Mercury out of the body. Good thing, because you don't want to poison your clients. Or maybe you do. Hopefully you don't. So we're getting the Mercury out. And then we'll do the left one, the left one, the left one, and then the left one here. And that's showing chakra. So the North Pole, then the South Pole. So that's like pulling the bad energy out, letting the mercury flush. Can you feel that? Or taste it? That's right, we were talking about you tasting it last time, I remember.
I can feel through the hand a bit, yeah.
Do you have any zeolite on you today? Right. Does anyone have like a little bit of zeolite? I've got 43 bottles. No, you're kidding. So there is. You can just feel that prickling.
What was that? You can feel it.
Yeah, like when I'm doing the chakra. So, more. Maybe we can just open up a bottle for the class and just have it just for training. Yeah.
I've got more. I'll bring another bottle in for it.
Yes, that's fine. Maybe just hold it there. Oh. So we'll just sit. Yeah, it's probably enough anyway. We're running out of. So leave. Oh, just write something on it for college. Yeah. So then I'll put the zeolite on, and that's indicating is that a priority. So 1 drop, 2 drops, 3 drops, 4 drops, 5 drops, once a day, twice a day, 3 times a day, 5 drops, 3 times a day. So it's increased since the last time, I think, isn't it?
Yeah, I got 10 drops once a day.
Yeah, so 5 drops 3 times now. So I'll just give you 5 drops now, just to place pretty shit. It's the, all right. So if you drank it, just swallow it. So was that worse than the zinc?
Crying in your mouth.
All right. So that's got the mercury out, and the mercury was contributing to the confusion in the zinc. So I'll just get you to drop the circuit, and I'll just do nutrition mode. Just relax a bit. Nutrition mode. I'll touch the atlas, and then I'll check zinc on the right, check it on the left. Feet are going apart. So with these, are these, when someone, who put the north and south on, do you know? And is that the north this way or the north this way? So that side, cool. Just double checking because I didn't want to do anything. So So we put it on the left side here, chakra. So this is for downloading zinc. Yeah, on the left side is for downloading. That's why if you get the wrong side, if you do the mercury on the wrong side, you'll put more mercury into the body. Yeah, if I put it on the left. If I do it on the right, I'm drawing it out of his body.
How are we putting the zinc into his body?
Magnetic fields. It's cool. It.
You're attracting it.
So yeah. So if you read the chapter, it'll explain it. No, the chapter. Have you? I think I've given it to you to read after the first weekend, the Nutritional Gateways. Yeah. Did you read it? Okay. So read it, because if you do, you could make someone really sick if you don't understand it and do the wrong thing in the wrong context. So if you get the sides wrong, it's really important. So this is the last time you'll see me do it too. So because I demonstrated in week 1, told you to read it, demonstrating it again, should be solid. Cool. Alrighty. Did you feel anything while we're doing that? No. So maybe, do you have like a water bottle or something? Yep. Do you want to just have a sip of water? Yep. And then we'll try you on the zinc drink again.
You clear the switching after the zinc and then after the mercury.
Mm-hmm.
Could we also put both inserts and clear the switching against each other?
Well, you could put the zinc in circuit, then put the mercury in circuit, and then you're clearing the switching on the mercury, which then can change the zinc.
But would you rather?
But you're not actually clearing the switching on both. You're just clearing the switching on the mercury. When the mercury shifts, then the body will right itself in relation to its perception of the zinc, because it's the mercury that's confusing the body's perception of the zinc.
But it's more thorough to do the zinc first and then.
It doesn't really matter. You can do either. Yeah. Did you just have clean your mouth? Take a seat. So what we're doing now is we're seeing if there's any change to his taste perception of the zinc. All right. So it tasted like caramel before, which isn't a bad thing, is it? So we'll see what it does now. So. Well, they say if it tastes sweet, that's the worst in terms of deficiency. There you go. So that's the magnets. So that's all we did was just magnets.